Hello students, in the last lecture we discussed income method because there are three methods of calculating national income method, expenditure method, and third one is value added or output method. So in this method we discuss expenditure method. So this is the formula or format to calculate the national income by expenditure method. So first, private or household final consumption expenditure. Second, government final consumption expenditure. Third, gross domestic fixed capital formation. Fourth, change in stock. The formula for change in stock is closing stock minus opening stock. Fifth one is net exports minus import. If we add all these five items, we get GDPMP. GDPMP means gross domestic product at market price. The national income is NNP at FC, net national product at factor cost. तो NNP-FC कैलकुलेट करना है इक्वल टू GDPMP. अब नेट इज इक्वल टू ग्रॉस माइनस डेप्रीसिएशन, national is equal to domestic plus NFIA, factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT. So we get national income. Student, in this formula we keep some point in the mind while calculating national income by income method कि जब भी हम income methods expenditure method से national income calculate करेंगे तो हमें कुछ points mind में अपने रखने हैं जिससे कि हमारी mistake ना हो. First have a fixed. If gross domestic fixed, that means fixed word is given, so we add change in stock. If fixed word is given, then we add change in stock. If fixed word is not given, suppose it is given gross domestic capital formation, तो यहाँ पर फिर change in stock we will not add. तो here we would not add change in stock, तो हम change in stock add नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, अगर फिक्स वर्ड गिवन है तो चेंज इन स्टॉक आएगा. इफ फिक्स वर्ड इज नॉट गिवन, चेंज इन स्टॉक वुड नॉट बी एड हियर. अगर चेंज इन स्टॉक दिया, सॉरी फिक्स वर्ड दिया है तो चेंज इन स्टॉक आएगा. फिक्स वर्ड नहीं दिया हुआ तो चेंज इन स्टॉक नहीं आएगा. सेकेंड वन, हेयर ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक, दैट मीन्स ग्रॉस गिवन, वी गेट GDPMP. If here net domestic capital formation and net domestic fixed capital formation, we get NDP-MP. अगर ग्रॉस वर्ड गिवन है तो GDPMP आएगा और अगर नेट वर्ड गिवन है तो NDPMP आएगा. तो दिस पॉइंट मस्ट बी कीप इन माइंड while calculating national income by expenditure method. Student, now we take an example through which we calculate national income by expenditure method. So here we have an example question, calculate national income by expenditure method. First, amount given are rupees crores. First is net indirect tax. Next, indirect taxes, that is 35. Second is private final consumption expenditure. So this is 500. Third, closing stock. Closing stock is 10. Fourth, government final consumption expenditure. This is 150. Fifth, gross domestic fixed capital formation. Fixed capital formation. Gross domestic fixed capital formation, this is also 150. Sixth, NFIA net factor income from abroad. NFIFA भी कह सकते हैं, net factor income from abroad. This is 15. Then net exports minus 20, then depreciation, or it is also known as consumption of fixed capital, depreciation 50, and last one, that is opening stock. Opening stock. So this is the question. Now we calculate national income by expenditure method. Here given net indirect tax NIT 35, private final consumption expenditure 500, closing stock 10, government final consumption expenditure 150, gross domestic fixed capital formation 150, NFIFA net factor income from abroad 15, net exports minus 20, depreciation 50, opening stock 10. Now calculate national income by expenditure method. So here first private final consumption expenditure, private final consumption expenditure. So this is 500. Second, government final consumption expenditure, which is 150. Third, gross domestic fixed capital formation, which is also 150. Next, fourth, change in stock. Change in stock, the formula for change in stock is closing stock minus opening. Closing 10, opening also 10, so this is 0. Fifth, net exports. Net exports, exports minus import, but here directly given, which is minus 20. It is given minus 20. तो ये आ गया हमारा 780 GDP at MP. GDP at MP, ठीक है, ये क्या है GDP at MP. तो if we add all these 5, we get GDP at MP. Because here fixed word is given, we add change in stock. Here gross given, we get GDP MP. If net given, we get NDP MP. Now we calculate national income, which is NNP at FC. We have GDP at MP. ठीक है, हमारे पास GDP MP है, तो net is equal to gross minus depreciation. National is equal to domestic plus NFIA. Factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT. ठीक है, देखो national is equal to net is equal to gross minus depreciation, national is equal to domestic plus NFIA, factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT. अब ये 780 है, माइनस डेप्रीसिएशन 50 प्लस NFIA 15 माइनस NIT 35. तो दिस इज 730 और माइनस 20 हो जाएगा, ये लेस किया, प्लस 15 माइनस 35 तो माइनस 20. तो आंसर इज 710 करोड़. तो दिस इज द method through expenditure method we calculate the national income. So this is the method of calculating national income by expenditure method. Hope student this method all the student clearly understand, and all the students must like this video, share it, comment on it, subscribe my channel, so that the student will get all the notification of my new videos if all the students subscribe that, and if the student like my video, share it, that will be very inspirable for me also. Okay students, and in the next lecture we will do value added method.